Why are you angry?
Because my assistant isn't being a good assistant.
Who's your assistant?
You are. In this video, I'll show you how to attach and calibrate the extruder module on your Vinci Mini W+. Begin the installation process by lining up the extruder to the extruder assembly and firmly clicking it into place. Finalize the installation process by connecting the black ribbon. Our next step is to calibrate the extruder using the software to ensure our prints are successful. On your computer, launch the XYZ MakerSuite software, then select XYZprint. After XYZprint launches, select Setup, Calibrate, and then Start. You will then be asked to press A on the nozzle module. Back on your computer, select Next to begin the auto calibration process. After the calibration process is completed, press button B on the extruder module to retract the detection module. Congratulations, your printer is calibrated and ready to start printing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more 3D printing content. See you next time. Bring!